InteleTravel is a revolutionary idea that allows you to book travel for your friends, your family, customers from another business, folks in your club, anybody in your world, your sphere of influence. Allows you to book travel for them and earn money. It also allows you to earn money back on your own travel. It's a self-improvement idea that makes you an insider in the travel industry and an expert in the destinations or the types of travel that interest you or interest your customers. And it is an experience in travel beyond anything you ever had. I mean, let's face it, most people have had frustrating experiences in travel, and InteleTravel brings the fun back and added income, which everybody can use. InteleTravel allows people who are frequent travelers or even armchair travelers, in other words, people who have a passion for travel, to help their friends and family travel, to help them have adventures, to help them fulfill their travel dreams and earn money while they're doing it. And most people are doing this already anyway. They're sharing restaurant recommendations, hotel reviews. They're telling people about their own journeys, their own adventures. And people are coming to them for that sort of advice. I mean, if you're that kind of person, you're the perfect InteleTraveler. With InteleTravel, you get full service support, hand-holding, Travelocity, Expedia, other websites, they're great, they're search engines, but that's it. There's nobody there. InteleTravel is much more than a website. Yes, we have a website, but the website is just one of the tools in the unique opportunity that is InteleTravel. The best tool is you, okay? You're going to be at the office, you're going to be at a party, you're going to be out to dinner with friends, and you're going to talk about travel, and that's going to be magnetic for people. So you really are your best tool. This is travel we're talking about. This is the thing that everybody wants to talk about. When you go to an event or a cocktail party or something, you're not the guy talking about insurance and everybody's slowly moving away from you. You're the one saying you just visited this great destination or stayed at this hotel, or you sent someone to stay at this hotel, and everyone is actually congregating around you. Bottom line, how it works is very simple. Talk to your friends and family. You book the travel for them using either a telephone or a website or the partner's website, like Marriott's website. We don't limit you at all. They take the trip, InteleTravel receives the commission, and we turn around and send you a check. But don't wait to join us because you don't have a trip coming up. You can be making money starting right now. You could be ramping up starting right now. And then when you travel, that's added benefit for you. You will get the most out of your trip. You're going to book a better trip. You're going to get a fuller experience.
Hi, InteleTravel home-based travel agents. I know what you're thinking. Show me the money. Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how the money works when you sell travel to others or even purchase travel for yourself, and InteleTravel pays you your commission. I've got some really easy to understand examples, so don't be afraid. Let's do the math. To start, you receive 70% of the base commission received by InteleTravel.com for all travel purchased through us. That includes your own personal or business travel, plus all the travel you book for friends, family, business associates, employees, and other customers. There are no sales quotas to meet and no minimum hours to work. These commissions paid to InteleTravel.com range from 8% to 16% or even more of the travel purchase, depending upon the type of travel and the travel provider. Airline Tickets, mostly international, pay 5% to 20% and even more, and a $10 per ticket service fee. Hotels pay 8 to 12%. Cruises pay 10 to 16%. Vacations and tours pay 10 to 16%. Car rentals, 10%. Travel insurance, 28% and more. Unlike other agencies, InteleTravel does not cap your commission at 10% or some other low number. Instead, we pay you the highest commissions in travel based on our travel sales volume. Here's how it works. Your sister purchases a family vacation package for 3 for a total of, let's say, $1,800, not including taxes and other fees. InteleTravel's base commission from this supplier is 14%. 14% of $1,800 is $252. Your commission is 70% of what InteleTravel receives, so 70% of $252 is $176. Here's a tip. To earn big, remember the highest commissions are paid on cruises, vacation packages, and escorted tours. And travel insurance pays 28% commission or more. Add travel insurance to every transaction for your peace of mind, your customers' protection, and your profits. To thank you for helping InteleTravel grow, you'll also be paid a 10% travel commission override on all the travel commissions paid to agents directly referred by you. This is powerful residual income and includes all the travel your agents purchase for themselves and sell to others. The more agents you refer, the more you can earn. You qualify for this bonus earning ability upon your 3rd agent referral. Here's an example. You referred your friend Justin, who became an InteleTravel.com agent. Justin sold his friend a cruise for a total purchase of $2,500, no taxes and non-commissionable fees. InteleTravel's commission is 16% of $2,500, or $400. Justin's commission is 70% of that, or $280. Your override, which is 10% of Justin's share, is $28. You received $28 from Justin's work. Now, this comes out of InteleTravel's pocket, not Justin's. And that's in addition to the commission on any of Justin's future travel sales to others and to himself, and of course, on all your future travel sales as well. See the Refer a Friend video for more on this powerful way to earn. As an added incentive to grow your business and attain professional standards, when you meet the requirements set forth by IATAN, the International Airlines Travel Agent Network, InteleTravel will pay you 80% of the commission we receive, no longer 70%. Whenever possible, you and your customers should book travel through the booking engines and deals on the website www.InteleTravel.com or your personalized version of that site. In this way, transactions are automatically recorded in your commission report, and your commissions are automatically tracked and paid to you on time and accurately. Can't find the trip or travel supplier you want on the website? Like I said, always start with the booking engines and instructions at www.InteleTravel.com. If the supplier or trip you want doesn't seem to be available on the site, our unique program still allows you to book directly with suppliers by telephone, or even the booking engines on the supplier's own website, or any other direct method, and still earn your full commission. However, to ensure receipt of your commission, follow the step-by-step instructions provided through links below the booking engines, or also found in the agent FAQs. And in the other video, Register My Bookings. Commissions are earned when InteleTravel receives payment from the supplier, typically 30 to 60 days after travel is complete. Please don't request commissions immediately upon purchase and payment, during travel, after travel is complete, or any time prior to 60 days after travel is complete. Commissions are paid, mailed, by the 15th of the month following the month in which InteleTravel received payment from the supplier. So if we receive payment from the hotel in May, your check is mailed by June 15th. For the complete terms and conditions of travel commissions, see the commissions link in your back office. For now, thanks for being part of the intelligent travel revolution.